Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this super colorful artistic look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications and comment done down below if you live in the US because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with some concealer. This one is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I did set it with some translucent powder as well. Next, I'm just picking up my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm picking up that light blue shade, and I'm just popping this onto my outer crease. And I definitely wanted to do two different shades in the crease, so I'm kind of sticking to the blue on the outer half and then going in with this lime green shade. This palette right here is the Shop Violet Voss Vibes palette. It's their neon pressed pigment palette. I'll leave the name of every product that I used in the description box down below, but I am just concentrating this one in the inner half of my crease. Next, I'm going into this dark blue shade right here, and I'm just going to start to apply a line of definition just on the very outer crease and just kind of focusing that pigment on the outer part of it, and then just bringing in whatever is left over. That way we have a nice gradient. And then I'm going into this baby blue to help me blend out that line. So I'm just going to be going in left to right motions over top of that line just to build a gradient and then also blend it into the green shade. And I'm using a small tapered brush for this step. That way I have control over that shadow and we don't want to blend it too high in the crease. And then I'm going into this angled brush by Anastasia and some more of that NYX concealer, and I just carved the first half of my lid, and then I set it with some translucent powder, how I always do, just so that it doesn't budge or crease when I open my eye. Next, I'm going into a Colourpop Gliterally Obsessed Body Glitter in the shade Trippin on Skies. And this is a body glitter, so it's not necessarily made for the eye, so just keep that in mind. If you have any sensitivity to products, then yeah, it's not meant for the eyes, but I use it on my eyes and I've never had any issues with it. But I'm just applying this all over my lid, and it's absolutely stunning on the lid. I think that all of these shades together just really complemented each other. And then I'm going into that neon green shade, and I just thought that I would apply this all over the lid just to kind of blend that glitter into the outer corner, because we are going to be building a little bit of depth on that outer corner. So I'm going into this dark blue shade, and I'm just applying this onto the very outer edge of my lid. And I really love how all these shades blended together. And then I'm just going to be peeling off this tape. And then for lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. Shout out to everybody that has placed an order with our company. You guys are the reason why we keep on doing what we're doing. And then I'm just applying this liner by Urban Decay in the shade Double Life to my waterline. And then I kind of mix the light lime green shade and the light blue shade as my lower lash transition color. And then I applied that dark blue to the very outer corner and then mixed everything or blended everything together. And then I just grabbed my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm. And then for our inner corner highlight, I just picked up my Pixie Beauty highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise. And this is the finished look. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!